of you. My name is Siddiq Mohammed, the Chancellor of Universal Blockchain University, Florida, America. The first blockchain university in the world, approved by the Florida government, American government. Our mission is to train 1 billion people and children about the latest technologies called blockchain, digital currencies, and artificial intelligence. So with me today, a very important person, Mr. Sunil Shetty. He is the author of this book, Journey of Human Souls.
Soul journey of human.
Soul journey of human. Okay, this is very important point. Where we go, where we go from this world, where we travel. So I like this concept, and he is going to train you for a breathing technique after this program. 15 minutes. All of you must join, which can in 15 minutes you can double your energy through his techniques, breathing techniques. Okay, and also with me, a very important saint from South, from Kerala, from Bangalore, Surya Joval. Okay, Surya Joval. Let's give a big applause to Surya ji. Okay, and he has been with me last more than 10 years, supporting my mentor, my advisor, my supporter, everything. And he is going to launch today a big mission for the entire humanity called Aham Brahmasmi. I am the universe. I am the universe. So this mission originated in India 4,000 years back through Rig Veda. And this is the most needed thing for today's world. Okay? And our university want to train 1 billion people. 1 billion people and children about the new technology of money. The new technology of money. Okay? Who don't want money in this here? Who don't want money? Who don't want money here? Money is more than oxygen. Money is more than oxygen we need till we die. But money we need after our death. So money is more precious than oxygen. Okay? So that is our university teaching. The latest technology of money called the cryptocurrencies. The crypto? Everybody know about Bitcoin. How many people know about Bitcoin? Yeah. Everybody knows. So now we are coming with an education plan. 1 billion people across the world. We say, Aham Brahmasmi, I am the universe. So I need a universal currency. I need a universal currency. So Indian currency or American currency, any other country currency we can use only in that country. But cryptocurrencies we can utilize everywhere in this world. Okay?
Please try to look in the camera.
Okay. So we are going to expect. We are expecting a lot of other VVPs, and with me also Dr. Lakshmi Agarwal. He is our mentor, our advisor, and he is the person behind everything. When I come to Sahara, he is the person who done everything. And Bellaji, all of you know, she is a great lady, Rita Bella. Okay, recently we honored her, and she is a source of inspiration. Source of inspiration for all the people in this world. I call her a universal mother. Universal mother. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So after this program, we request all of you to have this breathing technique from. You all got the book, you know. He brought 50 books here. Okay, 50 books. So all of you can take this one book. Oh, sorry. All of you can take this book. Okay. And after that, we have a lot of important guests come from Euro Exim Bank, and we have Siddharth Doshi. So we are going to appoint them our brand ambassadors through honoring with an honorary doctorate from our university. Siddharth, you are here, eh? Yes. Please come, please come. Let's give a big welcome to Siddharth.
Yes.
Yeah. Siddharth, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm
So Siddharth
honored.
is a very dynamic business personality from Indore, I think. Eh?
Indore.
Indore. And we have a lot of other people coming, and today we have a surprise for you. A young girl, 6-year-old. 6-year-old girl. I met her in Dubai before 5 years when she was 1 year old, and I gave her a 500 dirham, okay, as a gift, and she was running like this. But now she is going to come and teach you how to open a crypto wallet. So we say we are all here for a short period. Am I correct? Yes. Without any guarantee for our life and body. Yes. Any guarantee for our life and body? No. Yeah. I used to, I want to tell Sid Banerjee also. Sid Banerjee, please come here. Let's give a big welcome to Sid Banerjee. Yes. We met in Saudi Arabia 30 years back. No, one second. What I am saying, I used to tell a joke about the recent loss of the government of India. Okay, yesterday also I spoke to him, Sid Banerjee and all. We have to value the lives of each and every human on earth. Okay, so there exist only two lives in this universe. Basically, there exist only two master lives. Like I know my father, my mother. How many father I know? How many father you know? Who is my original father? So this is a universal truth. We are all come from a single father and single mother. Okay? So here, everybody's life is precious. So as far as the money is concerned, the whole money in this world in the hands of few people. Am I correct? The whole money in the whole world is in the hand of 13 families, 13 groups. Okay? One family controls $500 trillion. Our GDP is how much, you know? Indian GDP is how much? Anybody know the GDP of India? $4 trillion. $4 trillion. Out of 4 trillion, 1 trillion with Adani, 1 trillion with Ambani. Okay? And rest with 100 people. So the common man don't have anything. Okay? So the money system is totally concentrated in the hands of some people. Am I correct? So this has to be liberated to all the 8 billion people on earth. We are all universal citizens and the whole universe belongs to us. Am I correct?
Yes.
Though I born in India, I am not the slave of India. Though I born as a Muslim, I am not the slave of Muslim. So we say the whole universe is for us. So we have something called the universal citizen movement. We say nothing insignificant in this universe, nothing is final and nobody dies. So we want everybody to live in this world with all kinds of power. So we need first we need oxygen, second we need the money power. So we have this technology now, the blockchain technology, the crypto technology. So we are going to educate 1 billion people. Okay, so just one second. Hello, yeah, tell me. Can you say a few words about you now? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Sunil Shetty, life coach and healer. I'm 60 plus actually. I worked for a corporate like Siemens and Wipro for 25 years and I came out of the corporate life and I started my own soul journey. And last almost 15 years I am in a total meditative kind of experiences and my soul awakening is basically leads to this particular book writing. And I released this book 4 years back and I came out with my company also Sumira Life Management Private Limited. The company is recognized by various awards, but the USP of my company is, or my advancement is basically I capture your consciousness in terms of how the consciousness are formed. Yeah. By simple assessment test, it is patented. And with this particular assessment, I basically capture it's like a X-ray, what presently your personality is in the form of consciousness, like emotional intelligence, in a duality rather. Left brain versus right brain, your specific meridians.
My humble request now. So after this program,
yes,
you start with the breathing for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Because
sir.
The time is very short, we have to do something.
Yes,
so, Sid Banerjee, can you give 1 minute talk about our journey?
Do I need to have a mic or can speak?
Yeah, you can.
Right. I understand. Good afternoon, gentlemen, ladies as well. It's an exceptional opportunity for me, a very old acquaintance and even a friend of Muhammad Siddiq. We both started our profession 30 years back and continuously I'm watching him. A concentrated person with single-mindedness. It would not be an exaggeration to say selflessly he has been working. I don't want to praise him in front of all and in his presence. That would be something wrong. But the matter of fact remains, he's handling something exceptional today. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I hail from a village of Bihar. I'm a Bong by birth. I'm national person, travel to 24 countries, and I have my office in New York. It is just to let you know the exposure of a village man with today's stage and age of my life. I can praise this young man with my lofty wishes to go ahead all through life for the good of humanity, and that's what he's doing. My regards.
Thank you very much. Suryaji, few words from you. Suryaji, introduce yourself.
Namaste, my name is Suryaji. I'm a traveler of Surya. Sun is my guru, spreading throughout about the importance of sun in our life. It's a life force, life source, and it's a guru of everybody, all the culture, Incas, Mayan, Egyptian, everywhere. Only one sun, and SUN sun, single unified nation, Ekalog. Bharat means it's the land of Surya. We are Surya Putras, children of sun, and sun is the living God. Surya Atmo Jagat. Aham Brahmasmi means Aham Suryasmi. Without sun, all darkness. The sun has to come within us. Otherwise, we all are in darkness. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityu to Amaratva. Eat light, drink light, you become light. Let there be light.
Oh, that's good.
And the mission of
Siddiq.
Siddiq, to spread throughout the world the mission of light and love. That it's a need of this hour.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. See, the main thing is, let's all say, Aham Brahmasmi.
Aham Brahmasmi.
I am the universe.
I am the universe.
Because the human brain, the human mind represents the entire universe. We should not allow anybody to mislead us. Because we are all here for a short period, there is no second chance. There is no any second chance for the human being. Only we transformation and incarnation. But we don't have a second chance. Everybody has the right to live. Everybody has the right to live their life. So can you please say a few words about you, Siddharji?
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Siddharth Doshi, and Executive Director at Doshi Consultant Private Limited, Indore. And I'm honored that I'm part of Dr. Siddiqui's noble cause and the mission what is being followed. So our background is from the pharmaceutical. So we have to make sure that every human what they are having, they are getting each and every medicine at a low cost, economical cost. So that's why our job is to make sure that the manufacturing facility what is being built is ready to serve the human being or civilians with the low cost. It is for the good life, happy life for the people. So this is what.
So how many countries you are spread now?
So we have almost 40 countries. We have our own footprint.
Yeah.
And giving from India,
Yeah.
giving service to international people. It's a proud to be an Indian and giving them a best education what we can give to them.
Do you believe in the universal citizen movement?
Yes,
You are
yes.
right. So today we are going to honor him because he has to travel to Goa.
Yeah.
So within the next half an hour, you have
Yes.
to excuse me.
Okay.
We are going to give the
Sure,
award
sir.
of
Thank you so
excellence.
much.
And another guest we come like Dr. Apurva and the girl come, the 6-year-old girl come. Yeah. No, she come here. Come here. You come here. Eh? Yeah.